Hello everyone, it's Heather and I am here with another hotel room tour of a new to us hotel, something else that is near the Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport and Mall of America. We're on a mission to try as many hotels as possible near the Minneapolis Airport and Mall of America because the Minneapolis Airport is our home airport. It's also a pretty popular airport located centrally in the United States, and the Mall of America is a pretty popular destination for people. So I want to show you as many hotels in this area as I can so that you can make an informed choice of where you might want to stay when you're in this area. Okay, I will go back downstairs in a little while and I will put at either the beginning or the end of this video some footage from the lobby because it was very nice.
Christmas tree.
Yes, there was a Christmas tree. Okay, hold on. This is the hallway. And we are in room 516. And it's bigger than I was expecting. And the reason I was expecting it to be kind of small is because these are only double beds. They're not queen beds. To the right here, we have open already, is the closet. And something cool that is not usually included in a hotel room is a fan. And our coats are hanging in there, and there's an iron and an ironing board. The luggage rack is already out. It's over here. And there's a whole bunch of extra pillows. Now the bathroom is pretty small. I think this is a fairly relatively old property, so structurally they're not going to be able to change much, but it's obviously been renovated in recent years because it's very nice. Okay, but again, kind of like at the Embassy Suites, the door is not very wide to the bathroom, and the bathroom is pretty small. This counter is higher than I usually see. Now, one thing I noticed right away is there's no place to hang a towel. So when I went to wash my hands, the soap, by the way, smells really nice. And there's Crabtree and Evelyn products over here. There was a nice little pile of washcloths. But then I went to dry my hands and I'm like, where's the towels? So they're down here. The hand towels are here, and so is the hair dryer. And the bath towels are over here. Both rolls of toilet paper were folded into nice triangles, but we needed to use one of them. There's some kind of mystery panel in the wall. I don't know what that is. I tried to open it, but it's locked. Some abstract trees, art, maybe. But you can see the toilet is extremely close to the door. And the toilet is extremely close to the tub. It's a tub shower with a curved rod. And there are Crabtree and Evelyn Verbena and Lavender of the Provence products mounted in the shower. There is bath gel, shampoo, and conditioner. There's a little soap thing there. Kind of small, older looking shower head there. And this is not very tall. Like my son, Andrew, would probably have trouble taking a shower in here because it's pretty short. There is a hook on the back of the door. Okay, and then back out here, there is a big full-length mirror. And like I said, the luggage rack is there. Now this is cute. There's a little puppy made out of washcloths. Isn't he cute? I don't know. And there's 2 Hershey's Kisses and 2 bottles of water. And I don't know if they put those in all the rooms or if that's because of our gold status or what. I did check in with the app and I used digital key, so we didn't go to the front desk at all. There's a big TV, the remote, and then some giant cabinet here with big drawers. And over here, a fridge. Nothing in it. And on this side, coffee stuff. Ice bucket, and a safe, a big safe that pulls out. different. Okay, and then we have a nice, again, abstract fall leaves kind of painting here. There's an armchair. It's got a little bit of wear and tear on it. Same over there. And a table. And then there's a nice sofa where Ben is sitting. Ben, is that probably not. That can't be a sleeper sofa. There's no place to pull it out. I think it's just a regular sofa. Yeah.
And it's a weird shape too.
Yeah, it is.
It's like a half octagon.
Well, the room is a weird shape. I almost feel like they custom got these sofas to fit in the weird shaped room.
Yeah.
Now,
I think this probably used to be like a window.
Well, the window's right here. The outside of the hotel, if you look at it, is this weird shape.
Yeah.
But it's very hard because this sofa's here. I can't actually get to the window. I have to like crawl up on the couch. But over there's the airport. And I'm gonna, while I'm over here, shut this. I can't shut it. Oh boy. Okay, we'll deal with that later. Okay. And then there are the two just full-size beds. But that's okay because it's just the two of us. And then there's just one big table thing in the middle with one drawer. And a really old school phone. And a funky lamp with a green glass cylinder. So that's the whole room. Actually, now that I look at it, it's not that big. I guess there's more floor space here by the door than I was expecting. But the beds are smaller, the bathroom is smaller. You can't really get to the window. But I will go down and show you downstairs because the lobby and everything, the public areas were really nice. There is one elevator, one or two of the three elevators seem to be out of commission.
So, because there's no lights on.
Yeah, there was no lights on the other one. So I don't know what's going on with that. And then also the revolving door wasn't working. The revolving door at the front of the hotel was blocked off. And I'm not sure.
What?
Yeah, and I'm not sure why. We had to go in the side door thing. So I don't know what's up with that. There's 3 elevators here, but I'm pretty sure, and it's kind of weird because it says it's specifically for this one. And there is no button for the middle one.
First floor. Going up.
Yeah. Okay, well that was handy. Ben got some dinner earlier from Piata when we stopped to get our crumble cookies. Because they're right next to each other in Woodbury, Minnesota. But I couldn't drive and eat pasta, so I didn't have anything. And there was a lot of heavy traffic. It's the Friday before Thanksgiving, and there was a lot of traffic. And yeah, and it was rush hour. And so anyway, but I went downstairs, and there was that little kind of grab and go place.
There's a lot of good stuff there.
Yeah, there was a lot of good stuff. I got a turkey sandwich, and then we got a Sprite and a chocolate milk. And there was like giant candy bars and oatmeal and ice cream, and there was a lot of good stuff. It was big. And then both the guys at the front desk were very busy, but this was really handy. There were little slips there that you could fill out with your name and room number and what you bought, and then they just charge it to your room for you. So that's nice. So you don't have to wait. So you don't have to wait for them to help you. There is also a really nice bar downstairs and a full service restaurant. But it's like 8 o'clock right now at night, and I didn't want to be waiting at a restaurant to eat. So
Just need something to eat.
yeah, I just needed something in my tummy so I could eat my crumble cookie without not having anything non-sugar first.
Sugar, just pure sugar.
Right. This is our room tour of the, again, I don't know the name of it.
It's a Hilton.
It's the Hilton.
Next to the Embassy Suites.
It's right next to it's right next to the Embassy Suites. This place. It's right next door to that hotel that we stayed at last time, right by the Minneapolis airport and the Mall of America. If you enjoyed this room tour, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to be able to see all of our room tours, make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss any of them and click the notification bell. Have a great day, everyone. Safe travels.